Hello everyone, we are Team pingalaCoders participating in Smart India Hackathon 2025 under the Smart Education theme. Our project Chandas Identifier Problem Statement ID 25158 is a software solution to analyze and take poetic meters in Indian languages. With Team ID 104319, we aim to make traditional poetry learning more interactive and accessible.
Our idea title is Chandassakshi, which means witnessing and identifying the Chandas. Now I'll explain our main idea, how it works and how it solves the problem and what make it unique. Let's start with our idea and solution. We are developing a multilingual app that can analyze and teach poetic metrics or chandas across multiple Indian languages. Our system begins with syllable classification, where any given text or audio is converted into Laghu and Guru syllable using poetic and linguistic rules. Then through pattern matching, it applies classical algorithm and binary pattern recognition to accurately identify the corresponding poetic metric. We have also added interactive feedback. User can get a real-time correction, tutorials and quiz to make learning engaging. The model is powered by AI enhancement that improves syllable detection, personalized learning and even support audio-based meter recognition. Beyond technology, our goal is culture preservation to make the rich heritage of Indian culture. Now, coming to problem resolution, our system performs automated syllable detection, identifying Laghu and Guru syllable instantly using AI. It supports all major 7 chandas, providing comprehensive meter coverage. The solution is hosted as an accessible web platform, so it can be used anytime, anywhere without installment. It designed to be intuitive and interactive with color-coded annotation and auto playback to simplify learning. We use an hybrid rule-based and machine learning model which ensures higher accuracy by combining traditional logic with AI power. And finally, it serves as an education utility, beneficial student, teachers and research in literature and linguistics. Now, what makes our project truly unique and special? We leverage advanced machine learning and hybrid natural language processing model for accurate linguistic and multilingual syllable and metric detection. We have added speech and audio metric detection which can recognize poetic metrics from users' spoken words and provide instant feedback. There is also an OCR based image recognition, allow the app to extract words from scanned manuscript or photo for automated metric classification and analyzing. The interface is user friendly and interactive with color coded feedback and modern learning tools. Finally, our frequency and pattern analyzers visualize metric usage across languages and poets, giving depth insight into leverage system.
The Sanskrit procedure tool runs on Python using Indic NLP library to process locust. Rule-based script classifies syllables, while optional machine learning with skillet learn refines pattern matching. Flash or Fast API powers the backend with React or Streamlit on the frontend. Data is stored in SQLite or PostgreSQL, visualized using Matplotlib or Plotly. Our system starts with user input in the form of text, audio, or images. The data is pre-processed and divided into syllables, which are then classified as Laghu or Guru to determine rhythm. Using ML and NLP modules, the system performs meter encoding, pattern matching, and provides real-time feedback. Finally, results are shown through data visualization and an interactive learning module for an engaging user experience.
I will discuss about the feasibility and viability of our idea. Analysis of feasibility of our idea in technical uses reliable web AI and cloud technologies for security and development. In research, open dataset and development tools are easily accessible. In operational, modular design supports easy updates and intuitive interface for wide user base. In economic, low setup and running cost, potential for partnership with the education and cultural sectors, social and culturals, preserve classical heritage and promote learning for students, educators, and the public. And next, potential challenges and risk of our area: data and language complexity, limited data sets, handle multiple languages and script, recognition accuracy, variability in speech assets, audio noise, and OCR error with manuscripts, model randomness, ensuring ML models generalized well over diverse poet styles, user experience, designing intuitive, engaging UI to retain diverse users, system integration and cost, seamless friction of text, speech, image, AI modules, managing cloud and compute expenses. At last, strategies for overcoming these challenges: strategy: train stakeholder regularly for smooth adoption, maintain transparent communication to build trust. Model uses AI automation for rapid issue prioritization, deploy chatbot for 24 hours citizen support. In principle, ensure AI transparency for accountability, design intuitive system for all users. At last, algorithm combine NLP with the XGBoost agency detection, uses ensemble method to boost accuracy.
Now we can see about impacts and benefits of our area. First, you can see about impact. In impact, we have simplified learning, research support, creative aid for poets, educational resource. First, you can see about simplified learning. It makes poetic meter easy to grasp, helping students and enthusiasts learning effectively through interactive tools. Next, research support. It equips scholars with digital tools to analyze poetic forms deeply for linguistic and literary research. Creative aid for poets. It provides poets with feedback to compose metrically accurate and polished poetic efficiently. Educational resource. It enables teachers to use interactive and visual methods for teaching meters and prosody clearly. Next, you can see about the benefit. It is in benefits we have memory and cognition aids, creative flexibility, emotional engagement, speech and communication influence. In memory and cognition aid, poetic meter structure rhythmically aid memory, retention, and recalls of verses. In creative flexibility, it enables the poets to experiment with matter variation, adding expressiveness and avoid monotony. In emotional engagement, it meters and rhythm enhance the emotional and aesthetic impact of poetry. Speech and communication influence. It helps users appreciate the role of rhythmic patterns in spoken language and rhetoric.